Lundin Energy, Lund.st, of Sweden announced a higher than expected increase in operational profit for the fourth quarter of 2021, despite a rise in crude oil and natural gas prices. Lundin's earnings before interest and taxes, EBIT, increased to $1.27 billion in October to December from $491.8 million a year earlier, exceeding the $1.22 billion expected by analysts in a Refinitiv poll. In December, Lundin agreed to sell its Norwegian oil and gas assets, including a 20% stake in Norway's massive Johan Sverdrup oil field, to Aker BP in a cash and stock deal valued at $13.9 billion. From late 2023, Lundin wants to focus on its renewables business, which includes 1 hydropower and 2 wind power plants in the Nordics and is estimated to generate roughly 600 gigawatt-hours (GWh) of electricity per year. In the fourth quarter, the company produced 194,800 barrels of oil equivalent per day, placing its output for 2021 at 190,300 barrels of oil equivalent per day. It had stated that full-year output will be closer to the higher half of its guidance range of 180,000 to 195,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day. The oil and gas industry is predicted to produce between 180,000 and 200,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day in 2022, according to the corporation. Lundin's renewables division suffered a $3.6 million loss in the fourth quarter. According to Lundin, the renewables division will have a cash balance of $130 million after the Aker BP purchase closes, which will be enough to fund all capital needs until late 2023. Lundin listed its exploration and production (E&P) unit as ceased operations in its quarterly report as a result of the transaction.